We're going to be breaking down what IX Global is. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. If you guys don't know me, I'm Zay Molina. I'm one of the IX market experts here at IX Global. And again, guys, today we're going to be breaking down the platform of IX Global, giving you guys some insight on what do we have here, what we have to offer, and how we can help you guys become the best version of yourself, right? So that is our goal here today. And what I want you guys to do for me today, if you guys don't mind, just simply take the information you hear today, think about it, have a conversation with the person that invited you, have a conversation with your family, and really decide, is IX Global the best platform for me? Okay. We are here to help you guys, make an informed decision to see if, again, this is the best platform to help you guys achieve your goals, both personally and financially. Okay, so that's what we're going to be going over today, guys. And again, thank the person that invited you. They care about you. They wanted you to hear about this amazing opportunity that we have here at IX Global. It's been an amazing platform. I've been here for over 2 years now, and it's just been, it absolutely changed my life, right? This is, a place that I can call home, that I'm able to build an online business and continue to have success. And I want to share that with people around the world. So with that being said, guys, once again, thank you guys for hopping on today's call. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in any of the chats. I have all three open here, Facebook, YouTube, and Zoom. So if you guys have questions, feel free to drop them in there and we can answer them at the end. And then I promise I won't take too much of you guys' time, maybe 30, 45 minutes at most, right? But we're going to have a very informative call today to really help you guys understand what we have here at IX Global. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get started. If you guys have family and friends that you want to invite to today's call, feel free to, guys. This is completely open to the public, guys. So once again, invite them and we'll go ahead and get started now. So first and foremost, guys, before we start diving into the aspects of IX Global, I want to start with a quick disclaimer just to make sure everyone's on the same page. Okay. We here at IX Global are not financial or investment advisors. Past performance does not guarantee future results, and we cannot offer any guaranteed income, any guaranteed ROI or anything like that. Okay. We are simply an educational platform. We provide, education, software, and tools to help people learn about the financial markets, understand what's going on here. Okay. The Forex, the crypto, the commodities, all the financial markets that we participate in do involve risk, and risk means potential loss. Okay. Everything that you learn from us here at IX Global, you take at your own risk when you apply them to the markets. We're here to guide you and mentor you and show you guys what we do in the markets that have helped us have success in the markets. Okay. We also recommend, guys, never borrow money to get involved in any business or market, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Okay. Again, guys, there is risk involved, and we just want to make sure everyone is safe and secure when they start participating. Okay, so with that being said, guys, that is a quick little disclaimer to start us off. But now let's dive a little bit deeper into what IX Global is. Okay, so us here at IX Global, guys, we are a self-betterment platform, an educational platform designed to help you guys achieve both your personal and financial goals. Okay, our founder and CEO, Joe Martinez, he built this company, 3 years strong. 3 years ago, we started IX Global in the midst of the lockdowns and COVID and everything going on. So IX Global was a necessity for people, right? It was a way for people to learn how to build an online business, start making an income from online. And since then, guys, we have helped many people all around the world, people in India, in America, Australia, Africa, right? All over the world, guys, we have been helping people learn skill sets to be able to build another income or a full-time income here online, helping them, again, find the success and find the goals, achieve the goals that they want to in their life, right? And our mission here at IX Global is innovate, inspire, and impact. Okay, for these last 3 years, guys, this has been our motto. This will probably be our motto for the rest of the company's life, right? That is the goal, right? Is to help people through education, through innovation, build the best platform that we can to inspire and impact people's lives throughout their life, right? We want to help you guys, again, achieve the goals that you have set out for yourself, no matter what it is, whether it's financial goals, you want to travel the world, you want to buy your mom a fancy house, you want to buy the fancy cars, right? Or maybe you just want to set up your children for their life so they never have to work again, right? Whatever that kind of goal is, or whatever kind of person you want to become. Maybe you want to quit your job and you want to be able to travel the world and, share your message with people and help people throughout the world, guys. That is our goals, to help you guys achieve those and help you guys find success here with IX Global. So with that being said, guys, let's dive a little bit deeper into what do we have? How can you learn with us? Well, here at IX Global, we are an ecosystem. Okay. We have several different, academies, several different aspects of our company that allows you guys to learn different skill sets to help you achieve those goals that we just talked about. Okay. So we are a digital solutions platform designed to teach you guys how to participate in the financial markets, right? Maybe you've heard about stocks, Forex, crypto, and you want to start getting involved in this in this digital age, right? That's where we know where we're going, right? Everything is moving more towards online nowadays with Web 3.0 coming out. More and more crypto coins are being created nowadays. We just saw the BRICS just announced last month that they're launching a brand new currency. All this kind of stuff is happening, guys, and we want to be, informed. We want to make sure we stay involved so you guys can learn about the financial markets a little bit more with our educational platform that we have here, as well as our community, guys. We have a huge community of people here, of like-minded people here at IX Global Design. We're all trying to achieve success and achieve our goals. And we have our own social media app that we're able to communicate with each other online and, post our achievements, our rank ups, our results, right? Everything is showing us that we're going after those goals, and we have encouraging people there by our side, helping us along the way. Okay. On top of that, guys, we have e-commerce education designed to help you guys, learn a little bit more about how to open up your own Shopify store, all this kind of stuff. We have travel discounts. We're going to dive a little bit more into all of these categories in just a minute, right? But I want to show you that our diverse ecosystem here at IX Global has been amazing, and we have more coming, guys. I can't say too much, but here in the upcoming months, IX Global is going to be, adding a whole lot more of services, whole lot more platforms, all this kind of stuff to really help people achieve their goals. So I'm super excited about that. I can't wait for us to talk more about that in the near future. But that is the ecosystem we have here at IX Global. So let's go ahead and dive a little bit deeper into some of these products and show you guys the skill sets that you can learn with us here at IX Global. Okay, so first off, guys, is our trading education, right? This is the core behind IX Global. This is what IX Global started with. The main service is the trading education, teaching people how to get involved in the Forex, the crypto, the commodities, the stocks, binary trading options, all of these different types of financial markets to help you guys learn a strategy and a skill set to start participating in these markets. Okay, we have several different educational teams. We have over 15 channels, I believe. Now we just added some new traders from Korea now into our ecosystem, and it's just an amazing way to really help people learn different strategies, help them find the educators that they relate to really help them again grow and learn this skill set. Okay, one of my favorite teams is Empire IX. Now I am a little biased though, because I am one of the educators for Empire IX, where we teach institutional trading. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit more about that in just a minute, guys, but I want you to see that here on this screenshot here, you can see all the different teams we have available. Okay, again, we just added some new ones here, and we have amazing different education. We have trade alerts, all this kind of stuff to really help you guys find success in these financial markets. Okay, so how can you start learning with us? Well, we have the iTrade Academy. Okay, the iTrade Academy is going to be where we recommend you guys start, and you'll learn everything from the beginning concepts of what is Forex, what is crypto, what is binary trading options, all of that kind of stuff, the fundamentals to help you guys build your foundation as a brand new beginner, never traded before, don't know what anything is, guys. Don't worry. We have the ability for you guys to learn from the very, very beginning to understand everything from, the ground up, right? That is our goal, to help you guys build that foundation. And as you continue through these academies, as you go through every single lesson, hop on the live sessions, you guys are able to, really, grow as a person that knew nothing into, a more experienced trader. Okay, so we have this iTrade Academy, several different academies in English, Spanish, Italian, and even Hindi for you guys to learn, in these languages, whichever language you prefer to learn these concepts. Okay, we have several academies from, again, beginner to advanced, right? We have Forex basics, we have Forex intermediate, advanced, right, and all the way through crypto and binary as well. And we also have our Empire IX academies to help you guys learn the different trading strategies within these academies. Okay. And so we do have our Master Trade University from Empire X, and this is one of our most popular academies, and it teaches you guys the institutional trading concepts that I mentioned in a university-style academy, okay? So before we continue, let's talk about what is institutional trading, right? Well, institutional trading is essentially trading with the banks, right? You guys may have heard the term smart money trading, okay? Our goal is to identify where the banks are going to move the markets next. Because if you didn't know, the banks, the large institutions, the people with a lot of capital, they're the ones that actually move the markets up and down, right? You, me, and all individuals that are trading in these markets, we're known as retail traders, okay? We are not going to be the ones pushing the market up, pushing the market down. We're essentially going along for the ride, right? And a lot of the times we can get caught up in bank manipulation. We can get caught up in going the wrong way, trying to figure out, okay, is this shaping exist in, the markets? And that is not the way we really want to trade, right? We don't want to trade retail trading patterns, looking for shapes and patterns in the market. And we don't want to be trying to trade, support and resistance, right? Because a lot of the times the banks know that's what we're looking for, and they try to manipulate the market to their advantage and to our disadvantage, right? Our goal is to try to figure out where the banks are going to move next and how can we jump in with them, right? I like to think about it as like a surfer, right? If you guys have ever surfed or you know somebody that surfed, what happens? You get on your board, you swim out into the ocean, and you wait for that wave to come, right? You're patient, right? We want to be patient in the market. And when that wave comes, what do? You stand up on your board and you surf that wave, right? You go with the flow of the ocean, right? You don't try to go against the wave, because if you do, what's going to happen? That wave is just going to pick you up, swallow you up, take you down underwater. You might get water in your nose and lose your board, right? And the point is, you're not going to find a lot of success, right? Well, that is our goal in the markets, guys. We want to try to go with the flow of the banks. We want to go with the flow of wherever the market is going. And we don't want to try to outsmart the banks. We don't want to try to go against them or trade without knowledge of them. Our goal is to identify where they're going to move and how can we jump in with them, right? That is going to give us the highest probability of where we're actually going to find ourselves in a winning trade. And that is the goal. And that's what we introduce you guys to in our Master Trading University. You guys are able to learn these concepts, start understanding what are the banks trying to do, where can we identify these clues in the market, and start being able to try to jump in with them, okay? And in this academy, guys, just like a college course, you'll enroll as a freshman, go through all the freshman level videos. You'll take a freshman level quiz at the end to test yourself. And once you pass that quiz, you move on to sophomore, then to junior, then to senior. And once you pass that senior level quiz with an 80% or higher, then you guys will receive your certificate of completion, verifying that you guys are a certified smart money trader in the eyes of us here at Empire. Okay, so how cool is that, guys? You get to learn what the banks do in the market, how they move the market from this academy, and you guys can learn how to essentially avoid that manipulation and be able to jump in with them. That is our goal here at Empire. And we've been helping people, for the last 2 years here at IX Global learn this type of trading, and we've helped people get funded accounts and become successful traders. It's just absolutely amazing to see the impact we've had through our education. And again, we have some new updates coming in the very near future, right? In the upcoming months, so some new types of academies and stuff like that. So I'm super excited to introduce you guys to those. But in the meantime, guys, I also want to kind of, break this down. And I want to do something special on today's call. I want to actually show you what this looks like in the market. Okay, so let me go and bring up this chart here. Let me make sure we can see my screen. Perfect. Okay, this is one of the trades that we actually marked up on one of my live sessions, market overview, right? We have live trading sessions as well. It's not just the academies. You guys get to hop on calls like this, ask your questions. We'll be able to answer those for you guys, help you guys truly understand these concepts and different examples. We'll apply it to live markets, and we'll actually live trade in front of you guys so you guys can see how we mark up these trades and what we're looking for, okay? And this is one that we marked up last Sunday, not yesterday, but the week before, on our market overview session, looking ahead for the week, right? This is on Euro CAD, right? The euro versus the Canadian dollar and the 1 hour time frame, okay? So what we see is that the market was pushing up, right? We can all see that price was pushing to the upside. It started low, started down here, and it moved all the way up to here, right? So price is pushing up, or in an uptrend, or what we call bullish price action, okay? As we see that here, price moved to the upside, and we started to see that price slow down, right? What do I mean by slow down? Well, this was a big push to the upside, and then price started to go back and forth, right? And this is what we call a trading range or consolidation. Price is just kind of back and forth. And it's not really going anywhere. Yes, it's going up. Yes, it's coming back down, but it's essentially staying in the same place, just kind of going back and forth, right? It's kind of like in a box, and it just keeps bouncing up and down, hitting the top, hitting the bottom of the box, just over and over, right? That's kind of what's happening here, okay? So we see that playing out here on EuroCAD, and us as smart money traders, we identify that this is a lot of the times where the banks like to start making their moves, okay? I'm not going to go too in depth. I don't want to confuse anybody here, but I kind of want to just simply break down the basics of what we're looking for in the markets, right? So us to try to identify where the banks are going to enter, what do we look for? Well, we first look to see, this consolidation, this kind of sideways moving price, right? And we identify what is actually happening here. Well, what we can kind of see is that there are many areas where price is bouncing off these quote unquote support and resistance levels, right? These up here are known as resistance levels. Price bounces off of them and they bounce, right? And a lot of retail traders are trying to sell at these points, right? This is a ceiling. Price hits this. Every time this price hits this, it's going to fall. That is their thought process, right? This is the first strategy that I ever learned trading. And I thought this was going to work and this was going to be perfect. But it turns out after years of experience, that's not really what plays out, right? At least not to my knowledge, right? This doesn't work for me. It's trying to trade off these levels, right? And you guys can see why. A lot of the times, price will then break through all of these levels, right? So they're not very strong levels and not very good points of interest, right? But we see that there's those resistance levels. There's also these support levels where price is coming down here and kind of creating a floor. Every time price hits this floor, it's like dribbling a basketball. What's going to happen? Price is going to bounce, bounce, bounce. It's not going to go through that, right? That's at least what they're thinking, right? And so when we see this, right, a lot of retail traders are buying off of these areas, selling off these top areas, right? And they're entering buy orders, right? They're buying, buying, buying. Every time price comes back to this level, they're looking to buy. And this is accumulation of a whole bunch of retail traders around the world. This isn't just one trader. This isn't two. This is, thousands and maybe even millions of traders trying to get into this area, building up a whole lot of money in this area. Okay, because of all their orders. So what happens is the banks, they're not going to buy from this level two and help everyone profit, right? They need to get retail traders to take the opposite side of their trades, right? And so what happens is for the banks to win, they need retail to lose. That is their goal. They want to manipulate the market. They're greedy. They want to win in these markets. So when we see that there's this floor and all these retail traders are buying, 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 what do the banks do? Well, because they control the markets, they push the market down, and you can see that here, and they take out all the people that bought at this level. Right? Everyone was buying, buying, buying. They had their stop losses down here. A stop loss is essentially like a safety net where if you're wrong in your analysis, which happens, right? When the trade comes down and hits your stop loss, it'll take you out of the trade automatically and minimize your loss, right? That's a good thing. That's what we want. We don't want to try to maximize our losses, right? We want to minimize them as much as possible and maximize our rewards. So a stop loss is super important. And we can see that in this case, all the people that bought at that level just lost. All their stop losses got hit. Okay, so we see that happened, but also not only did buyers lose, sellers are now activated. There's a bunch of people thinking that, hey, price just broke below this support level. Let's sell, right? They're all trying to sell now, trying to catch this trend to the downside. That's their goal. They may have a stop loss up here, somewhere in this area. And what does price do? It immediately, after pushing down and taking out all the buyers, it pushes right back up and takes out all the sellers. Guys, this is what we call bank manipulation. The banks do this on purpose. This is not a random event that happens in the market. This is something that is strategically planned for the banks to manipulate the market to their advantage, take out all the retail traders so then the banks can profit, right? And so us as smart money traders, what is our goal? Our goal is definitely not to jump in over here. Our goal is not to try to predict this area, because if we try to predict this is very dangerous, right? Price could easily come down and not reverse back to the upside and just continue down and down and down, right? So what we want to do is we want to wait for stuff called confirmations, okay? Our confirmations is the strategy that you guys learn from us here at Empire, okay? What we do, guys, is we break down what's going on in the markets. We teach you guys what to wait for, right? We're patient. That is the key to the markets, right? It's understanding patience, understanding we need to get involved when only there's a high probability of us getting involved and finding ourselves in a winning trade. So we wait for price to give us this pushback up. We look for those confirmations. Again, you'll learn that here in the academies and on the live sessions. And you guys can see we got our entry right in here. Beautiful entry. We didn't enter here. We actually entered on this one here, and we saw the rise to the upside. Beautiful trade last week that we were able to catch. We didn't send it out as a trade alert or anything like that, but we did catch it on the market overview session. If you guys were on that session, you probably would have saw that we are waiting for this. We got our entry, took that to the upside. So a beautiful trade you guys can see here. This is a smart money trade. This was actually a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Just to kind of sum that up, what that means. This means we risked 36 pips, went for 137 pips, right? Low risk, high reward setups. And actually, we could have minimized our loss, or excuse me, our stop loss a little bit shorter. I'm not going to go too deep into that right now because, again, I don't want to confuse anybody. But these are the concepts that you guys will learn. You'll learn the basics. You'll understand what we're kind of looking for. And as you progressively go through the academies, you guys will learn how to understand this and learn how to become a more advanced trader to be able to refine your technique and be able to find these high probable setups, right? So that is our goal. Hopefully, I didn't confuse anybody too much, but this is what we're looking for, guys. And what I wanted to show you is that if you can identify that, hey, this area is a quote unquote support level, we're not looking to buy off this. That is a kind of like a clue that there may be a bank move type of coming in. Once we see that play out, right, we understand that we're waiting. We're not jumping in. We wait for this. Once we see this and we see that reversal back to the upside, then we start to look for our confirmations. We're able to get in. If you can identify that, guys, that very simple move of, hey, don't get in at the equal lows, wait for that manipulation move, and then look for our confirmations, guys, you can trade and you can find success as a smart money trader. Okay, so real quick, I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful trade here. If I can do it, guys, you guys can do it. If you guys can identify that, this is what we're looking for in the market time and time again. It's not going to look exactly like this every single time, but this is why we learn the concepts to understand what the banks are trying to do and how we can get in with them. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and head back now to our presentation. And again, this is what we teach in this university. This is what we teach on our live sessions. So you guys are able to hop on, ask your questions. We're interacting with you guys to help you guys truly learn these skill sets and help you guys find success in these markets. Okay. But on top of that, guys, as I mentioned, we also have trade alerts, right? I said it a couple of times that here we actually give you guys not only the ability to learn with us, but learn and earn, where you guys will be able to join these Telegram channels that we have. And you guys are able to do what we call copy and paste, take the exact same trades as us experts and be able to copy the numbers that we send in here. And you guys are able to paste it into your trading app and take the same trades as us as you guys are learning, right? So you guys are able to learn and earn with us, and you're able to win when we win and lose when we lose. And the reason why I say that, guys, is because I don't want you to think that we're those Facebook or Instagram gurus out there that say, hey, come join our Telegram channels. We're 100% accurate. We never lose and blah, 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 blah. Guys, run away from those people. Those are most likely you're scammers. We're not going to lie to you and say that we're 99% accurate. We never lose. That's not the case, guys. Losing happens in trading. I lose all the time. It happens, right? That's just something that's normal in trading, right? And so when it comes to that, guys, our goal is to not, try to win every single trade, not try to find the holy grail strategy that's never going to lose, but our goal is to simply manage our risk, right? Risk management is probably the most important thing when it comes to trading. Though, as I mentioned, we want to go for low risk, high reward setups. So on that example I just showed you, we are risking 36 pips and we're going for 137. That means if we took 3 trades exactly like that and we lost 2 and won 1, right? That means we're 33% accurate, not very good, right? Or at least that's what it looks like. Well, essentially, we lose 2 trades, we lose 36 pips each. So that's what, 72 pips lost, but we still gained 137, right? So you guys can kind of see, the difference, right? We gained 137. We did lose 72, but overall, we still profited. Right? That is the goal when it comes to trading. We don't need to win every single trade, but we want to manage our risk, low risk, high reward setups. That is going to give us the ability to profit in these markets and find success. And that is what we focus on as we look for these types of strategies in the market. And our goal is to help you guys learn and earn with us here in our Telegram channels. Okay. And to show you guys, we're fully transparent. We do take losses. I took a loss last week on a very similar setup to what we saw in EuroCAD on I believe it's GBP AUD, if I'm not mistaken, right? We took a loss there, right? We won 1, lost 1. That happens in the market, right? We still profited at the end of the day. And you guys can see here, all of our different trading channels, all the different months that we've had, in different types of markets, forex, binary options, synthetic indices. All of this is available for you guys to take a look at. We publish our results every week and every month so you guys can see the different results. We'll have our August results up here very, very soon. We'll probably calculate all those and have them ready to go by next week. But you guys can see, again, we're very transparent. We're honest about what happens in the trading market. We just want to teach you guys the skill set that we use that has helped us find success. We want to help you guys find success as well. Okay, so again, these guys are our trading results for the last 3 months in each of the markets from all of the teams combined. Perfect. So with that being said, guys, that is our trading education here at IX Global, but that is only one small part of our company. As I mentioned, guys, we have different avenues, different types of aspects of our company, allowing you guys to learn different skill sets to earn money online. That's just one way. Okay. Another way is our e-commerce academy that I mentioned. Okay. We have this academy that's going to teach you guys how to open up your own Shopify store, your Amazon store, learn the skill set of drop shipping from A to Z and help you guys truly learn from everything of what is drop shipping all the way to actually listing your first product. Okay. So if you guys want to learn how to, get involved in e-commerce, we have the education for you guys here included in a membership here. Okay. This isn't an extra cost. We'll talk about that in just a minute at the end. Okay. On top of that, we also have our Travel Pro, right? Our Travel Pro is our product that gives you guys discounts when you want to travel the world, right? So if you love traveling, guys, I actually used this not too long ago. Booking a flight to Dominican Republic. Unfortunately, I didn't get to go because I didn't have my passport, but I was able to use this, right? And it gives you amazing discounts on cars, hotels, flights, all of that available for you guys to actually come on here and book your flight and find those discounts. Okay. So we get this. And again, this is included in your membership. This is not an extra cost. We'll talk about that in just a minute. We'll talk about pricing, all that at the end, but I want to show you guys that you have the ability to use this travel discounts here in your membership here at IX Global. Okay. On top of this, guys, another thing that we have here at IX Global is, as I mentioned, we have the financials, right? We help you guys learn how to make money, how to save money with our travel product, but also it's not just financial goals we want to help you out with, it's personal goals, right? And one thing we have here, guys, is our Legacy Pro Academy, which is a personal development academy created by Bob Proctor. If you guys don't know who Bob Proctor is, he's like the godfather of personal development. And he created this course built around the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Okay. It's an amazing book, guys. If you haven't read it, I highly recommend it. It's essentially helping you guys learn, what successful people did in the past, what helped them become successful, how we can duplicate that success in our lives and find the success that we want in our lives, right? And so that is the goal here with this academy. And Bob Proctor created this. We partnered with the foundation and he was able to actually create this course over 57 years of studying and experience. He created this course to help us become the people that we want to become and grow into the person that we want to become, right? One of my mentors used to always say that we can't achieve the success that we want in our lives. We can't, achieve all the financial goals without becoming the person that we need to be to receive those financial goals, right? So if we're right now making the income that we are, but we want more, we got to first grow and develop to become that person that's able to receive more, right? So hopefully that makes sense to you guys, but that is the goal with this academy. We have this available for you guys. This is an add-on product for $1,100, but it's a one-time fee, and you get access to this program for, going over this entire program. You get access to the live sessions with our CEO and the CEO of this platform, again, to help you guys develop into becoming the person that you want to become. So once again, guys, that is our Legacy Pro Academy. And with this, guys, one of the biggest things we have here at IX Global is not just the academies, but also the community. Okay. This is something that, we really, strive for is here at IX Global. We have a community of like-minded people that are here growing together, right? We're not doing this individually. It's not like we sign you up and say, hey, go enjoy the academies. Good luck, right? No, guys, we are there. We're constantly by your side. If you need help, if you need mentorship, we're there, by simply a call, a text, whatever you guys want to do. You're able to reach out to the community and find somebody that's going to help you and continue to help you grow, right? The person that invited you, they're going to be willing to help you grow. That's why they invited you. They want you to grow with them. And that is what we have here at IX Global. And no matter what avenue you guys are going down, we are here again to give you that assistance. And I love this quote by our IX Global corporate team. They put this in here and says, community is much more than belonging to something. It's about doing something impactful together that makes belonging matter, right? And simply, guys, it's not just about being around a bunch of people. It's about working together to actually create a difference. And that is what we have here at IX Global, an amazing community, amazing, group of these people that are just trying to grow not only their personal lives, but everyone around them. Okay. And so you guys can see that with that, not only are we able to help you guys to learn and stuff, but we actually have incentive retreats, our Awaken Leadership retreats that invite the top people that are able to, qualify. Everyone's able to qualify for this retreat. And by having success in the business, you guys are able to come to these fully paid for events and participate in the yacht parties, masterminds, VIP dinners, all of this kind of stuff with our corporate staff, our CEO. You can see him here, Joe Martinez, right? And you're able to go in there and just have a great time again with like-minded people. That is our goal, guys. We want to be around people that are, inspiring us and helping us continue to grow, not necessarily people that are holding us back, right? That is our goal. And so these Awaken trips are amazing to be able to do that. Okay. So with that being said, guys, again, let's kind of recap everything we talked about. We talked about the trading education. We went over that example of learning smart money academies, smart money concepts, helping you guys learn with our academies, live sessions, all of that. We have that education for you guys. If you want to learn about the financial markets, we have our e-commerce academies to help you guys learn that. We have our travel pro products, right? To help you guys, save when you travel the world. We have our Legacy Pro Academy, which is our personal development academy, and these Awaken trips to help you guys, again, become the person that you want to become. And so all of that, guys, is what we have here at IX Global. And again, we have more coming in the near future, right? We have, some amazing products and platforms and services that are going to be coming very soon. And so I'm super excited about that. But let's go ahead and start talking about how you guys can get involved today. Okay. So if you're excited and you want to get involved, I see some people asking in the chat, how can I get started? Well, first off, you want to reach out to the person that invited you and discuss with them and find the best membership that's going to fit best for you. Okay. Right now, we currently have two memberships, our basic membership and our pro membership. Okay. The basic membership is $65 a month, right? And this includes the IX Academy, the IX Global Social App, and 7 alert channels. Okay. And so what this is, guys, is the basic membership kind of is like the getting started type of membership, right? If you don't know anything about the financial markets, you don't know anything about e-commerce, nothing like that, but you want to get started and just try to get a feel, is this something that I really want to do? We recommend the basic membership. You can get involved, start learning the basics, the fundamentals, the terminology, start interacting with people around the world. And also you can get access to 7 alert channels to start learning, how can I take these trades? How can I start getting involved, right? And then if you want to upgrade to the pro membership, you can do so at any time. This is $130 a month. And with this, you get everything pretty much to offer in IX Global, okay? You get access to the all academies, the Empire Academies, IX Academy. You get access to live education. You get access to, again, all of Empire IX, the university, the academies that we have, the live sessions, the trade alerts from us. You get access to all the trade alert channels from every single educator. You get access to all the education from those education channels as well. You get access to the app and everything in the basic membership and the travel pro product and the e-commerce academy. Okay, that's not listed here, but you do get access to the e-commerce all in the pro membership, right? So the pro membership, guys, you don't have to pick and choose. You're able to do everything, try it out, see what fits best for you. And you guys are able to get a taste of every little thing to help you guys learn that skill set that's going to help you guys start, achieving the goals that you want. right? So you guys are able to do that with the pro membership. Again, that's $130 a month. And we highly recommend that package so you guys can get access to everything here we have at IX Global, okay? One more thing I do want to mention, though, is we do have some add-ons down here as well, some additional alert channels and things like that down here, as well as our Legacy Pro Academy. As you guys can see, this is a one-time payment of $1,100 for you guys to get access to the Personal Development Academy. Okay, now I do want to mention, though, and I should have threw a slide in here for this, but we also now have just recently started our Legacy Pro. The CEO of that platform, he's actually now doing live sessions for everyone in the company, whether you're on a basic membership, pro membership, or you have the Legacy Pro Academy. He's actually now doing a live session with us for everyone in the company every single Tuesday. And so anybody, even if you don't have that academy, you're able to hop on and get a quick little dose for the week of personal development, right? It's a nice little 1 hour call to help you guys again grow and become the person that you want. So huge benefit you guys get with the memberships here at IX Global to start participating in that. And even if you don't have that Legacy Pro Academy, you can start participating in our personal development calls. Okay. So with that, guys, that is what we have here at IX Global in terms of services and products. Okay. But there is one more aspect that we have at our company that allows you guys, if you choose, to take part and earn and start building an online business. Okay, and you guys can do so by joining our brand ambassador program here at IX Global. Okay, here at IX Global, guys, we don't grow based on commercials. We don't grow on billboards and all that kind of stuff, right? We don't pay for advertising. What we simply do, guys, is we grow by word of mouth. Okay, so everyone that joins IX Global has the opportunity, has the choice, if they choose so, right, to get involved in the brand ambassador program. And again, this is completely optional, but you guys are able to, if you'd like to, get involved and start, sharing the message of IX Global. If you share this and you refer people to the platform, IX Global will pay you a very handsome reward for doing so and a very handsome commission for simply referring people to the platform. Okay, so you can invite family and friends and just earn a quick little reward bonus, or you can take this to the next level and actually build an online business here by simply referring clients and customers to the platform. Okay, so to show you guys what I'm talking about, let's dive a little bit deeper into this and show you guys how you can participate in this if you choose so. Okay, so first and foremost, we have the direct bonus. Okay, the direct bonus is simply a referral bonus. Okay, so if, let's say you join a pro pack here at IX Global and you love Empire IX, right? You love learning with us. You learned how to understand smart money concepts, and you're like, this is amazing. I got to share it with my family and friends, right? And you go tell your family and friends, and let's say your best friend wants to join. They're like, hey, that sounds awesome. How can I get started? Well, if you send them your referral link and they join a pro pack, you will earn $10 from IX Global for simply referring someone to the platform. Okay, and this goes for every single person that you invite. So if you invite 10 friends, you'll earn $100, right? 10 times 10 is 100. You'll earn that for every single person that you invite. $5 for everyone that joins a basic pack. Okay, now the cool thing about this, guys, is this is not just a one-time thing, right? So let's say you invite your best friend, they love it, they go 1 month, they enjoy the pro pack, they love it, and they want to renew the next month. Guess what? You'll get an additional $10 every single time they renew their subscription, right? So this is not just a one-time thing. This is every single time they renew. And this is IX Global's way of saying thank you for sharing IX Global to people around the world and helping impact their lives as well. Okay, so this is the direct bonus or the referral bonus. We also have some bonuses for all of the add-on products. If you want more information about that, we can send that to you guys. But again, this is the direct bonus for the basic and the pro pack. Okay, now on top of that, right, you will also earn an apprentice bonus, right? This is in addition to the direct bonus. Okay, so let's say you invite 2 friends that join the platform, right? They both join the pro pack. We get $10 from them, $10 from them. IX Global will also give you an additional $50 for simply referring 2 people to the platform. Okay, how amazing is that, guys? So you earn not only $10 from each of them, giving you $20, but you also get an additional $50, and that's going to give you $70 for simply referring 2 people to the platform. Okay, and now if you're on a basic pack and you do this, guys, this will then pay for your basic pack, right? You can use this, as like a scholarship almost, where IX Global will give you $70. You can use 65 of that to pay your basic pack if you choose so, right? Or you can withdraw whatever works best for you, right? But you're able to use that to not necessarily have to pay out of pocket anymore if you don't want to, right? By simply referring 2 people to the platform, you can get a free basic pack, right? And if you continue to invite more people, this could also potentially pay your pro pack as well. Okay, so that is the apprentice bonus. You have the direct bonus, which is your referral bonus, and the apprentice bonus is that additional $50 for simply referring 2 people to the platform. Okay, now if you want to take this a step further and actually build an online business and not necessarily just refer people, but you want to start inviting customers and clients to IX Global, you can do so and start earning what we call rank bonuses. Okay, by simply referring more and more people to the platform, you can invite people to build with you, build a team, build a more brand ambassadors in the business and help you guys continue to grow as a team, you can start achieving these different ranks and go from anywhere from $50 a week, right? Yes, a week, right? We pay weekly here at IX Global. You get $50 a week all the way up to $2,000 a week. These are in addition to that apprentice bonus and in addition to that direct bonus, right? So you guys are able to see the different types of ranks by simply referring people to the platform, and we'll show you what qualifies you for each rank, but you guys will earn these weekly bonuses for simply, again, starting to build that online business. Okay. Now, last but not least, we also have our team commissions, guys. And as you build your online business and you refer people to the platform, you build two structures, right? A left team and a right team. And you're able to start placing people in this structure to help you guys start building that, bringing on brand ambassadors, bringing on other business partners and clients to help you guys continue to grow. And what IX Global will do is they will give you 10 to 20% of the weak side, whichever team is lower, they'll give you 10 to 20% to earn commission off that as well. And again, don't worry, we'll tell you exactly what that means and help you guys out with this, but you guys are able to earn an additional commission for simply referring more and more people to the platform, building this online organization to help you guys earn that commission, as well as the referral bonus, as well as the apprentice bonus, and as well as the rank bonus. Okay. And you guys can see our compensation plan here. This is our full compensation plan. And again, guys, this is completely optional, but for the people that do want to build an online business and get involved and start earning this by simply referring people to a platform, guys, you guys can see the different ranks, the different achievements that you can achieve here at IX Global. Okay. We've had amazing people have amazing success here at IX Global. We're actually voted the top seventh in the top 10 of our compensation plan, right? So we're ranked number 7 in the entire industry for our compensation plan. And we've had a lot of people just find amazing success, including Viraj Patil. He's one of the top leaders in the industry, and he was actually able to earn $1.2 million a month with this compensation plan. Okay. So you guys can see that you can come in here, and if you want to participate in this, you can earn a part-time income, a full-time income, or even a fortune here with our compensation plan. It's very much possible, guys. People have done it all around the world. And this is just an amazing comp plan that we have here for people that want to get involved. Okay. And so here you guys can see the different achievements that we've had. As I mentioned, Viraj Patil earned about $1.2 million a month at one point here in this company through this compensation plan. We also see that we are ranked number 2 in momentum earlier this year. We're actually number 1 to start the year, right? But we're now ranked in the top 10, right? Currently for momentum, meaning that IX Global is growing, guys. People are hearing about this opportunity. They're loving it, and people are getting involved. Okay. And then also another website here for 2022, we were actually ranked 3rd in the entire industry for growth, right? A lot of people coming in loving IX Global. So you guys can see the different achievements we've had here, the success we've had here, and we've helped people all around the world in this industry, right? From the, the brand ambassador program, but also from trading and e-commerce, right? As I mentioned, guys, we've helped people, become funded traders, past prop firm challenges. If you guys don't know what that is, don't worry, we can help you learn a little bit more about that. But essentially, it's taking a challenge, making sure that, they know that you know how to trade, you're able to, learn these skill sets. And if you do so, that prop firm will give you a funded account and you guys split the profits with them. And that's going to help you guys, again, get a bigger account size in case you can't afford it right away, all this kind of stuff. And don't worry, again, if you want more information about that, we can give that to you. But we've been able to help people pass those challenges and get funded accounts to help them continue to grow and become full-time traders. So just an amazing way, from the aspects that we have here at IX Global. Again, our goal is to innovate, inspire, and impact, and truly help people achieve their goals that they have. Okay, so with that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for me here today. I appreciate you guys hopping on. We went about 40 minutes or so. So again, I promise, we wouldn't take too much of your guys' time. And so with that being said, guys, before we hop off here today, again, if you guys can do 2 things for me. 1, please thank the person that invited you here today, because they care about you. They wanted you to hear this information. They believe that you can now achieve your goals with this platform. And so simply, thank them for inviting you here today. And then number 2, if you guys don't mind, just simply take some time, think about it, right? All the information you hear today, all the information that person may send you in addition to what we just talked about today, take some time, really think about it. Can IX Global help me achieve my goals, right? Both personally, financially, right? If you're interested in getting involved in the financial markets, guys, we can do so. Again, we have that education for you guys. Whether you want to join a basic or pro pack, doesn't matter, guys. We are here to help you guys achieve your goals and help you guys get started as a member of IX Global.